In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your existing Guild Wars 2 account on Steam. This simple process will take about 5 minutes, so grab your device and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam application. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, you'll want to do that to ensure you have the latest version ready to go. Once you have that ready, double click the Steam icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu to get it open. Next, look for the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the Steam window. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this next step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial to get it right. Enter your account name and password in the respective fields. Double check your entries to make sure everything is accurate. And when you're confident everything's correct, it's time to sign in. You'll find the sign in button right there beside the password field. Click on it and wait a moment for Steam to log you in securely. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, we need to navigate to the Library tab. It's located in the top section of the window. This section houses all the games you've acquired on Steam, making it your local digital gaming hub. Looking through your library, find Guild Wars 2. Don't worry if it takes a moment to locate it, especially if you have a great number of games installed. Once you've found it, you'll need to right click on Guild Wars 2, which will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Properties. The Properties menu is where you can customize a lot of game specific settings, but today we're just focusing on one thing. In the Properties menu, look for a field labelled Launch Options. This is a special field where you can input specific commands to alter how the game starts. Here you'll want to type in Provider Portal. Be sure to type this exactly as shown with no extra spaces or characters, as even a tiny mistake could cause it to not function as intended. Once you've done that, go ahead and close the Properties tab to save your changes. Now we're on the home stretch. With everything properly configured, it's time to click play on Guild Wars 2 in your library. Clicking play will launch the game, and with the settings you've adjusted, it will now use your existing Guild Wars 2 account via Steam. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to start playing Guild Wars 2 with your existing account on Steam. Enjoy your gaming session.